Hi guys, so I wanted to show you the iRobot. This is the Roomba, and it is the i3 EVO. Let me get closer to it so you can see how it looks up close. This is mine. I bought it to help me with vacuuming and cat hair, and my cat is deathly afraid of this thing. He has asthma, so it just triggers more asthma attacks. I don't know. I didn't think it would bother him because, the big machine makes a whole lot more noise. But this thing moves, and he just doesn't like it. I've seen cats ride this thing, but my cat, deathly afraid of it. And so after the last asthma attack, I was like, okay, you know what? I'm going to have to watch it. It was a long story. I tried different ways of going around using it. It's a really good machine. It picks up a lot of dirt and pet hair and whatnot, but it scares the hell out of my cat, so I can't keep it. I bought it for $350 on Amazon about 3 years ago, and it has sat because I tried different ways of using it, hoping that maybe he'll get used to it and realize it's not a big deal. But he didn't. And I just recently tried it again. He can't handle it. And I can't handle him getting so nervous that he has those asthma attacks. And he struggles to breathe. So I don't need the drama. It's not worth it. And so I'm going to sell it. I used it for probably a month. I bought it around the end of, I think it was the end of 2023, beginning of 2024. Here we are in 2026. I tried. He does not like it. He does not like it. Right, Nix? You don't like it. I know. So I have to vacuum with the upright, and he'll just disappear under the bed, and he's fine with the upright. But with this Roomba, if it starts going around the room, I don't know what it is about it. He does not like it. And I can't take a chance with his asthma. So it's not working for me. I hope it works for somebody else really well. That color is telling me it needs to be charged. You can press it and it shuts off. And then it goes on. Okay, so we're going to press it home. Now, I don't have the app on my phone anymore, so we're going to press it, but you could do it from the app. It will not go over because it knows it'll fall. It's looking for the docking station. It will not go off the edge. And then you'll see the red light. So here's the top part. We're going to turn it around. And again, I don't think it's charged anymore, but you would press this down and it would turn on in a few seconds. You want it to go home, you go here. And I forget what this button, I think this is the pause button or redirect. But when you put the app in, you find all that information. So you have to put that app in your phone. Now here's the other side. These are the brushes that get into the corners and push the dirt so it sucks it up. Here's this wheel, it turns around. These wheels, so it can get over bumps. Sorry, I'm shaking the camera. And then these are the, the turning, what do they call them? Brush heads. And so there's a button here, and it lifts out the cartridge. That's the inside. And it all, so it comes in here, through there. Let's see. I don't know if you could see that. So when it's scooping everything, sucking everything up, it goes through there, comes into here, and then lands into your canister. And then, let me put this down. This is what your canister looks like. Here is the air filter. Here's the filter that needs to be replaced along with the brushes and these spinning brushes every so often. And you'll know. And then you press this button here and it releases this door. And then you can clean this all out. Dump it in the garbage. You can do it from here too, if it's not that much, but it's easier to just open it. And there's the button. Here's the filter again. Just, you know, slides right in and then snaps. And then you put it back in here. There's a groove right here. You just you put it in here. And then it clicks, and that's it. And there she goes. Let me see, we'll do around. Sorry, my table is dirty, dusty. And this is heavy. And here's your docking station. So she will just, when she's done, she'll just go right back to the docking station. She'll charge. If she's not finished vacuuming, but is in the middle of vacuuming and needed a charge, she'll go to the dock, charge, and continue on with the vacuuming when it's fully charged again. So it's a neat little vacuum, and it gets the job done. But unfortunately, as much as I like it, I have to get rid of it because my cat just isn't having it. Some animals are not too fond of it. And it's not really that noisy. You can see when, you know, earlier, it's not that noisy. But the charge needs to be charged back up. I charged it a little to give you a demonstration on how it goes back to the dock. But there you go, guys. Used, pre-owned by me, and just about new condition. And that is the iRobot Roomba. Until my next video, that's it for now, and I'll see you soon.